state in the capital of Columbus, Ohio, and we are here at COSI, which is the City Science Center, mostly for one reason only, and that's for the special Marvel Superheroes exhibit that they have on display for about 6 months here. So I'm super excited because I love my superheroes.
We'll have to see how Zach's collection compares to what they have inside, so we'll let you know.
What was your favorite exhibit here as a kid?
So there's this exhibit I love, but I was scared of this one part of it. But it was like a Indiana Jones type of thing, and you did like a scavenger hunt, I think, and you had to find these crystals. But this room with these like lasers, but there were lights, and I thought the lasers were gonna burn me, and they had to come like get me out of it because I was so scared and started crying.
DC Comics is obviously better, which hopefully we can all agree on. But I am looking forward to seeing this. Deanna, what's your favorite Marvel movie? Or show?
I don't know that I've seen any.
What? Yes, you have. You've seen almost all of them with me.
I saw the that one with the raccoon. Is that Marvel?
Yeah.
Oh, that one.
Costumes in there were incredible, but the original art was mind-blowing. Hard to believe that some of that still exists all these years later. If you're a comic book collector, crazy, definitely gotta see it. So now that we finished up the Marvel section, it's time to explore the rest of what COSI has to offer.
If I can lift this car, you have to subscribe to our channel for more great travel videos.
This isn't working how we thought it would. Try the other one.
I can't reach that one.
There we go. Or you could just subscribe anyway. It would really help us out. It helps other people find these videos. And now I'll try to lift the car.
We did it!
The one interesting fact about dinosaurs is
they have a lot of bizarre structures that come from their bodies. Sometimes they're skulls.
or at some point in the, when would you say this has been?
Like the 40s?
1800? No. Well, no, maybe it was the 40s. I don't know. Yeah, probably maybe 30s or 40s. It's kind of cool. Thing in all of COSI. Wow, the abracadabra. Marvel exhibit. There's one more new exhibit since the last time Deanna and I have been here, which is Cuba. Just got out of our COSI experience. Highly recommend it, especially for the Marvel thing. So it's $25 a person to get in, $15 extra if you want to do the Marvel exhibit. Both of those I think are highly worth it. One of the best science centers in the country, in my opinion.
And it's fun for kids and adults. Bring your little kids, older kids, just you and your partner.
Remember, guys, like and subscribe to the video below to sign up for more sweet travel videos as we travel the country this year.